কলকাতা রাষ্ট্রীয় পরিবহন সংস্থার সঙ্গে যৌথভাবে এয়ারটেল চালু করলো তাদের স্মার্ট বাস সার্ভিস। অর্থাৎ আপনি যদি বাসে চলতে চলতে ইন্টারনেট পরিষেবার সুযোগ সুবিধা পেতে চান তবে আপনাকে ব্যবহার করতে হবে এয়ারটেলের এই স্মার্ট বাস। শহরে এখন থেকে আপনি চাইলে ওয়াইফাই কানেকশনের এই বাস সার্ভিস আপনি অ্যাভেল করতে পারেন এবং এয়ারটেল আপনার সামনে সেই সুযোগ সুবিধা তুলে দিচ্ছে।
For the first time in the history of Kolkata, and perhaps it is going to be the first time history in the country, you will get free of cost Airtel Wi-Fi service in the CSTC buses. This is the basic content, if I am not wrong. So, give a big hand for Airtel to let the people of Calcutta enjoy the special facility given by Airtel.
Kolkata has been very special for us. We introduced 4G. The city was the first 4G that we launched, and this is the first time we're doing a Wi-Fi bus. I think it's a great experience for the customers. They'll be able to use Wi-Fi while they're traveling in the buses, and absolutely free for 30 minutes, and that's a pilot we're doing with 2 buses. Depending on the response, we'll see it further. So we put up a Wi-Fi device. We've made it a very user-friendly, where a customer can put his mobile number as a username and the password comes to it, and uses it for 30 minutes, and the counter starts there for 30 minutes. So that's the kind of thing, and the entire branding and everything of the bus is done.
This time, how many buses will be available this service?
So there are 2 buses right now on 2 routes. As we said, AC 43 and AC 37A.
It's absolutely free. What kind of revenue model are you designed for this system?
So as of now, we're doing a pilot which is based on the consumer experience, and it's not based on a revenue model, and that's why we will see what we want to do with the revenue model post the pilot.